In today's video, we're tackling something we all deal with: stress. Our lives are more fast-paced than ever, and it can feel like we're constantly juggling a dozen things at once. But what if I told you that managing stress isn't about eliminating it completely, but about changing how you respond to it? Do you ever feel like the world is moving too fast and you're just trying to keep up? You're not alone. In today's nonstop world, stress can sneak up on anyone. What is stress? Stress is your body's natural response to pressure. A little stress can motivate, but too much can take a toll on your mind and body. Why are we so stressed today? Long hours, constant notifications, high expectations. We live in a world that rarely slows down, and that pressure adds up. So how do you know if stress is affecting you? Watch for signs like fatigue, irritability, trouble sleeping, or feeling overwhelmed. Good news: stress is manageable. Here are 5 quick ways to feel calmer, starting today. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means staying present in the moment. By training your mind to focus on now rather than worrying about the past or future, you can reduce stress and improve emotional balance. Taking just a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness can calm your racing mind and bring clarity amid chaos. Take a deep breath. Even 60 seconds of deep breathing can calm your nervous system. Move your body. A short walk, stretch, or dance break releases tension. Disconnect to recharge. Put your phone down, even for 10 minutes, to reset your mind. It's important to protect your personal time and energy. Saying no to extra commitments or work outside your limits keeps stress from building up and prevents burnout. Say no without guilt. It's okay to protect your time. You can't do everything. Healthy boundaries help you say no without guilt. Respect your limits, and others will too. Laugh, talk, or cry it out. Sharing how you feel is one of the best stress relievers. Prioritize your tasks. When life gets hectic, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by everything on your to-do list. Prioritizing tasks helps you focus on what's truly important, reducing mental clutter and unnecessary stress. Start by deciding what tasks really matter. Focus on what needs your attention now, and let go of what can wait. Managing stress isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters. Build habits that support your peace of mind. Sleep well. Move often. Eat nourishing food. Connect with others. Make space for joy. Use technology wisely. Technology can be a double-edged sword. While it keeps us connected, constant notifications and information overload increase stress. Using tech mindfully helps maintain balance. Turn off unnecessary notifications, schedule tech-free times, and use apps that promote calm and focus. Engage in creative activities. Creative hobbies like painting, writing, or playing music provide an outlet for emotions, helping you relax and recharge your mental energy. Taking time for creative activities can refresh your mind and lower stress by letting your emotions flow freely. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for mental and physical health. Lack of quality sleep worsens stress and reduces your ability to cope with daily pressures. Prioritize sleep like your life depends on it, because it does. A rested mind handles stress far better. Connect with nature. Spending time outdoors helps reduce stress hormones and improves mood. Nature's calm environment is a natural antidote to the pressures of modern life. Even a short walk in the park can lower stress and refresh your mind. Nature has a healing power that's hard to beat. Seek support when needed. Talking to friends, family, or professionals when you're feeling overwhelmed is a vital step toward managing stress. You don't have to do it alone. Reaching out for support is a sign of strength, not weakness. Sharing your feelings helps lighten the load. And lastly, life will always be busy, but you deserve to feel calm, clear, and in control. One small shift at a time, and stress doesn't have to run your life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Share this video with a friend who might enjoy it too. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.